Good evening and welcome to the Math 1 Curriculum Night. I am Mrs. Barefoot. Here are your Math 1 teachers, Mr. Johnson and Miss Mason on the 8th grade hall, along with Mrs. Mock and myself on the 7th grade hall. Here's the course overview for the Math 1 curriculum this year. Your child will be provided with a workbook for each of the following units. Unit 1, one variable statistics, which is the unit we are currently working through. Unit 2, linear equations and inequalities. Unit 3, coordinate geometry and systems of linear equations and inequalities. Unit 4, two variable statistics. Unit 5, functions. Unit 6, introduction to exponential functions. Unit 7, quadratic functions and equations. And Unit 8, sequences and functions.
Hello, I am Mr. Johnson. I'm going to be speaking to you about Canvas. The entire curriculum is accessible to students through Canvas, which students may easily log into via NC Cloud. When students are absent, this is the best place to find what we did in class that day. However, all the work should be completed in the student workbook. Parents may also access Canvas as well. The Canvas Parent app allows parents to view all the students' Canvas courses. Directions to a PowerPoint explaining how to download, sign up, and use the app can be found here in the link provided. If needed, the LEA code for CMS is 600.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Mason, and I'm going to be talking to you about homework, IXL, and Delta Math. We will assign nightly homework most nights to have students practice topics learned in class. Many of these assignments will be within the student workbooks. We also use two programs, IXL and Delta Math, found at IXL.com and DeltaMath.com. These are internet-based programs that are used a lot at home for practice purposes. Students need to be able to show their procedural knowledge on paper to support answers and submit their work to their teacher.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Mock, and I'm going to talk to you about grade breakdowns and the EOC. So 8th grade students only take the Math 1 EOC, which stands for end of course. 7th grade students have to take the Math 1 EOC and the 7th grade EOG. This is new for Math 1 students this year. The EOC actually counts in their grade. So semester 1 will count for 40% of their final grade, and semester 2 will count for 40% of their final grade, and then their EOC will count for 20% of their final grade. Math 1 does count as one of their 4 high school credits for math. So they need 4 total, they'll go in with 1. The grade does not calculate in their high school GPA, but it does show up on their high school transcript. Next year, students who are currently enrolled in Math 1 will be taking Math 2. Thank you so much for joining us. This is your contact information for each of the Math 1 teachers. If you need to get a hold of your child's Math 1 teacher, please email them.